Hello and welcome. I'm Gabi and this is my average garden. So we're at the end of the day and I'm pretty tired and uh, my back is hurting a lot. But what we achieved today is preparation for spring for the grapevine. So what in particular we did today is we had the lower this one, as you can see. We got the dripping hose attached to it and had more one more wire because the grapes being in the third year will climb a lot. So uh, it's a small grape wine yard, if that can be said. It's only like 7 rows, which with 10 pieces per row. So it's not that much, but they are great for uh, eating. I have 6 varieties. Maybe I'll get more, but this is for the start. I'll come tomorrow and yeah, finish the job because I didn't attach the main hose to the dripping hoses, so still a lot of work to do. That's it for today. Uh, this is my first video. Please like, share, subscribe, and yeah, see ya.